Hey guys, welcome back to another mukbang. So, today is Taco Tuesday, and I keep seeing on other mukbangs or mukbangs that people are using Doritos instead of regular tortilla chips. So today I thought I'd try it for you guys. So on my tacos, I usually do hamburger with the taco seasoning. I have some lettuce, tomato. I don't have any guacamole today, but that's okay because I got jalapeno peppers, green onion. Did I say tomato already? Sour cream, salsa, and lots of cheese. The cheese is actually underneath, and I melted it on it. To drink, I have a Caesar, a clamato, pickled bean. Thought it would taste good with the nachos. I have some ice in there to make it really cool. Cheers to Taco Tuesday. So good. So good. Alright, let's try this. You know, when you're watching mukbangs, you always wonder, like, what things taste like. So for probably a good year now, I've been wondering what Doritos would taste like with the taco salad. Mmm. Yes. Mmm. Uh-oh. Mmm. I might never go back to the regular. Mmm. That is so good. Oh my God. Speaking of God, thank you, God, for this food. I'm so very grateful. Mmm. I'm just gonna get messy. When we have tacos as a family, we get messy. There's no forks involved with taco salad. Mmm. I would hate to eat a taco salad in a restaurant because I'd feel like that I'd have to be like polite or something. Use a fork. I'll get a bite on this side. Maybe. It's so heavy. Look at this. I'm gonna put a big jalapeno on that. Look at this. Oh, yes. Mmm. Mm-hmm. You guys have to try this. Ooh, that was a spicy jalapeno. Oh, look at that big chunk of meat and cheese. Mmm, I love tacos so much. Well, I like taco salad. Not too fond of like hard shell tacos. Mmm. I'm sorry if this is too messy for your liking, but mm. It's so much prettier too. And like looking in the camera there, what you guys see, the Doritos make it like pop out all the colors. Mm. I'm sorry for having to say so many times, but it is really good. Trust me, guys. I would try this, and I think next time I would try like the, what's it called? Oh, the sweet heat or whatever, or there's the flaming hot or whatever it's called. I don't know names. Mm. Mm. I actually brought napkins today. Past few videos, I just keep forgetting napkins. I knew today I must have them. Yeah, I grew up having taco salads all the time. These. Definitely not with the nachos though. We were missing out. But it's a family thing, like we always have them. And I brought it on to my kid, or my kids were brought up with it as well. So we have it quite a bit. So they're excited to eat it tonight. My candle. I don't know if you can see it. This is Namaste. We're approaching here in oh my goodness. Here in Canada, we're approaching candle season, where it gets colder out and everybody wants to be all cozy, and candles just have that effect on you. Although today is pretty hot. But tonight will be cold. I appreciate everybody who's watched this far. 7 minutes of watching me eat and talk. Yeah. Congrats. But if you want to click out and check out a different video of mine, I will put a link up right there. If you click on that link, it will take you a different video of mine. Take you to a different video of mine. Yeah. Check that out too if you want. I think I'm almost to 300 subscribers, guys. I've been getting so much love through YouTube lately, and I've been just feeling so excited. So much love from you guys. Thank you so much. I'm like almost done this. So much more flavorful. So much. Look at. I haven't even drank my drink. So distracting. Oh my. I'm actually getting full. Always do that, eat so fast. When it's good, but then I get full faster. Who was eyeing up that jalapeno? I'm gonna do it. Whoops. They're really big jalapenos. They're actually ones that I pickled myself, so they're really big. Woo! I can feel the heat. Mm. Mm. Delicious. Mouth is still burning. That's hotter than the samyang sauce. Mm. Alright, I'm getting full, guys. I almost did it. I almost. My fingers. Alright, so, you know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash that like button. I appreciate all who watched me this far. If you want a shout out for the next video, say it below. I try to respond to everybody, and I appreciate everybody. And of course, if you have a channel, especially mukbangs, I love mukbangs, don't hesitate to say that down in the comments. Excuse me. Yes. So see you next time, guys. Bye.